All right. Let's eat. Cool. Hey, Will here, and I wanted to talk to you about something we just recently launched. It's called Photography and Friends Plus. Let's talk about it. All right, so recently we've launched this premium group called Photography and Friends Plus, and what it is basically a community, an online community where you can join, and it's all about photography. Phil, Sam, and I, we've been teaching online courses for, I don't know, the better part of the last 5 years or so. Hey there, I'm Will Carnahan, and in this class, you're gonna learn how to start your own photography business. And one of those things that we've been able to do was create what's called the Photography Masterclass. And I think one of the cool things about it is that it was able to stem a Facebook group called Photography and Friends. There's about 90,000 people in that group right now, which is wild to me, right? Like 90,000 people somehow watched us and decided to join a group where we are all in a community together talking about photography from all over the world. Like it's huge. And so Photography and Friends group on Facebook has been really successful in peer review, right? So like you can post your photos, we do live streams, we do Q&As, and everyone in the group can kind of constructively critique what you're doing. You can also ask questions. The problem is that there are 90,000 people in the group. And the three of us, while we try to interact with everyone as much as possible, we haven't been able to really like hone in our time and our skill level and our education from the last couple decades into helping targeted people that really want to expand their photography. They want to be better amateur photographers. They want to start as professionals. And so we thought of this group called Photography and Friends Plus. I know I keep saying it. Basically, you're gonna be paying a subscription to have complete and total access to us in our time. So with a subscription, we are gonna be able to be there more often, and that will allow us to step away from our other jobs and still be able to make money, but also be able to help people in a smaller capacity. I feel like I wanna be helping people, and it's really hard to help a lot of people, but also work and survive at the same time. This is a really good meld of that. I'm gonna be able to spend time without having to take away from my normal job earnings and be able to help people that are a little bit more targeted. And I like that a lot because there are people out there that are ready to, you know, take their photography to the next level. And what's really cool about Photography and Friends Plus is that it's away from Facebook, it's away from any other social media, it's away from any other website, it's its own thing. And we use a company called Circle, and Circle has allowed us to build out our own social network, basically. And we've been working a long time on this for like the last couple months. Sam, Phil, and I have spent lots of hours building out this and deciding what we're gonna do, how we're gonna do it. And basically it works like this. There's a community and there's spaces on the left here. And within each space, those will be the topics of discussion that we'll be able to talk about. So there's things like photo critiques, there's things like gear talk, there's things like ask a question, there's things like business. And then we have this really cool one at the bottom called the gallery, where we'll just post photos and tell a story about the photo. It's like our favorite photos. And right now, it's only the three of us in this group, so there's not a lot of things going on in the group, but very soon, we're going to be accepting applications into the group. So you can actually click below and find out more information about the group, the cost, and also you can apply directly with one of the links down below. I'm just very excited. So what do you get with this? You get me, Sam, and Phil, basically at your beck and call. We're gonna be interacting every day with people that are posting, and we're gonna try and help folks along their photography journey, whether you're just starting out and you wanna know more about intro things or talk about cameras, or you're a seasoned amateur and you're just a really big hobbyist, or you're like a full-blown, this is gonna be my job, I'm gonna be a professional, and we can talk about how to talk to clients or issues that may arise with them. The big thing is that we're able to really connect with you in this smaller, more targeted community, and that's really exciting. So you get to talk to three of us, you get to partake in our weekly live streams. That's right, we're gonna do a live stream every week, and we're not gonna do it through YouTube, we're gonna do it through Zoom or something equivalent so that you can actually ask us a question in person. I don't know, education and listening to other people that are in your same field is like, there's just so much information you can get from each other and as a community. And I think this is huge, right? This is like a really good thing if you are really deep into photography. And if you're starting a business especially, this can potentially be part of the costs that you need to make money. Like this is huge. Now, not only do you get the weekly live streams where we'll be doing hot seats, photo critiques, Q&As, we're gonna try and do interviews with professional photographers as we start to get rolling. You're also gonna get to interact with 3 of us, and you get access to all of our photography classes. So I sound like a salesman here, but you will be able to get all of our classes, and be able to interact with us and join the Facebook group and all the things. So honestly, like, I feel like it's a pretty good deal, and I'm really excited about it. I'm trying to think what else there is to think about. Oh, so you get all these things. You get the online community, and then also it's on iOS right now, which actually is like really cool, especially for me because I like being on the road. When I'm traveling and I have a moment, I can stop, I can interact with students, I can interact with the group, answer quickly and see, you know, what's going on. Circle's probably come out with an Android version of it at some point, but for now, online, iOS. Man, what else? Am I missing anything? I think it's really important when you're starting a hobby or you're getting into something technical and artistic to have a community. And this is that. And I know it costs money and it's a little different than the Photography and Friends Facebook group, but the money is going towards our experience for the last 2 decades, right? That's 3 people, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decades of experience that you're getting access to for a monthly subscription cost. Yeah, I honestly, I think that's invaluable when you're starting a company. I wish that I had a small community group when I was starting out photography. I think it would have been huge. And the fact that I even have Sam and Phil pushes me to be a better photographer and pushes me to be a better artist and a better business person. Photography's art, photography's technical, but you're also, you know, you're in a business. Like, you have to invoice, you have to keep track of stuff, you have to invest, you have to, all that you have to do alongside your photography. So I don't know, I think this is like a really great deal. And I feel like I've been getting a lot of questions, so I just wanted to like make a video to tell people what it was, show people the actual thing. So that is Photography and Friends Plus. It's a premium community group, and I don't want to take away from our Photography and Friends Facebook group, which you can get access to if you buy one of our classes on one of our other systems like Udemy or Skillshare or through the site Video School. Photography and Friends group on Facebook is rad. It's wonderful, and everyone in it is really cool, and we're going to continue to work in that group, and it's free other than you have to get one of our classes. Photography and Friends Plus is going to be an even better way. It's basically the next level after Photography and Friends group if you're ready to take that plunge into the next level and push your own photography journey. So yeah, check it out. If you have any questions or you want to know more, you know, comment down in the comments. Also, this is my YouTube channel, and this is like the best way for me to get out information fully to all of you. So please like it, subscribe it, do all the things, and watch some of my other videos that are probably around here. That'd be cool. Thanks. Bye. Ooh, how good is this autofocus on this camera? Oh, it is pretty good.